The things that you want to pay attention to is the way that you name these different stages. So as you can see here, I'm using the past tense for all of the stage names, and there's a reason for that. Using the past tense makes it easy for everyone to understand when a deal can move to the next stage. For example, this first one here, appointment scheduled. It is clear that a deal can only be created in this stage, since this is also the first stage, when an appointment has actually been scheduled with a prospect or a buyer. The next one, needs identified, means that we had the appointment, we identified the needs of our customer, and now the deal is ready to move to this stage. And this is what we want to do for all of these. So like contract sent, for example, it's clear that we send the contract to our customer. I would recommend that if you notice that you have contacts that are unengaged, create a sunset policy for these contacts. What does this mean? Let's say if you have contacts that haven't opened or clicked in your last 10 emails, and I would say clicks and replies are usually the best way to gauge this, because opens are a little less reliable these days because of privacy features in applications like, for example, the mail app for the iPhone, but have a sunset policy for these. So if you don't have engagement for 10 emails, you send them one last email, and this is an automation. You send them one last email being like, hey, I've noticed that you haven't really engaged with our emails recently. Would you still like to receive these? Just click this button below and I'll make sure to keep you in our email list. Very simple. If they do not engage with that email, they do not click that button, you would then set them as non-marketing contacts to make sure that we don't send any emails to those contacts anymore. For this, we're going to go to settings. Gonna scroll all the way down to marketing, then ads. Here is where we will be able to link that data. And here you can already see a preview of what you can expect after you linked your ads account to HubSpot. Now we're gonna click on get started with ads. Then in this case, we want to link Facebook. Then it's gonna ask me that I've previously logged in, so I'll do continue as Jasper. Then you're gonna find the account that you wanna link here. So you're going to select that account, it's going to enable auto tracking. You want to keep that enabled, and then you'll say connect accounts. So now it says you've successfully connected your account. Before I get to the next part, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot excellence. Next up, we want to sync leads. So here again, you're going to get an overview of all of the different pages that are linked to your business manager. For most businesses, there will be less pages here. And then you're going to select the ones that you want to sync. So in my case, I'm just going to select my personal page here, and then the sync option, I want to do new and recent leads, and then we're all set up for this part. So now when you go to ads, you will see that the ad account that you connected is visible here. We'll just go to our companies here, and then on the left side here, we're gonna add an easy way to add target accounts. So what you want to do is you want to go to customize properties, and when you do it this way, by the way, this is just going to be for your HubSpot user, but it'll also show you how you can do this for everyone in the account as well. So here we're going to look for target accounts. Let's add this to the top because it's something we want to focus on right now. And now we can see that we have the option to add a target account right here. Now, if you want to do the same thing for every user in your account, we will go to the default view settings here. As you can see, it already opens about this company, and then we'll add target account right here. We'll go to the Chrome Web Store and we search for Hub Lead. So here we can see I already did that. We're on the Hub Lead page, and then we just click Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and then we just click Try Hub Lead. Now here you will see it also prompts me to now connect Hub Lead to HubSpot, so we're going to do that as well. I'm gonna click Connect Hub Lead. I'm gonna choose the account that I need, connect the app, and now Hub Lead is all good to go.